Does State Farm life insurance pay for suicidal death? Yes, State Farm life insurance pays for suicidal death, but only after the suicide clause period has passed. This clause is typically 2 years from the policy start date. If suicide occurs within this period, the policy will not pay the full death benefit, but premiums paid may be refunded to beneficiaries. 1. The 2-year suicide clause. State Farm, like most life insurance companies, includes a suicide exclusion period in its policies. If the policyholder dies by suicide within the first 2 years, the insurance company will not pay the death benefit. Instead, the beneficiary may receive a refund of the premiums paid. Second, coverage after the 2-year period. If the insured dies by suicide after the 2-year exclusion period, State Farm will pay the full death benefit to the beneficiaries, just as it would for any other cause of death. 3. Why the suicide clause exists. The 2-year waiting period helps prevent fraud or intentional misuse of life insurance. It ensures that policies are purchased for long-term financial protection rather than as a short-term solution. Fourth, impact of policy changes on the suicide clause. If a policyholder renews, converts, or increases their life insurance coverage, a new 2-year suicide clause may apply to the increased portion of the coverage. It's important to review policy updates carefully. 5. Accidental death and suicide exclusions. State Farm's accidental death and dismemberment (ADD) insurance does not cover suicide. This type of policy only pays out for accidental deaths, such as car crashes or workplace injuries. 6. Filing a claim for suicidal death. If the policyholder passes away from suicide after the exclusion period, beneficiaries can file a claim with State Farm, providing necessary documents such as the death certificate. The claim will be processed like any other life insurance payout. State Farm life insurance does pay for suicide-related deaths if they occur after the 2-year exclusion period. Understanding this clause ensures beneficiaries receive the expected benefits and financial protection. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to State Farm life insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.